Skyler, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're returning subby, and welcome to Shayskyler's Vlogmas. So this is my first year participating in Vlogmas, and I have a lot of exciting themed videos for you guys. Most of the videos are going to be concentrating on budget-friendly hairstyles due to the fact that it is holiday season, and we want to make sure that you guys have enough money to slay and to also get gifts and all that good stuff. Okay, so the first hairstyle that I'm going to be showing you guys, I've been reviewing a lot of headband wigs. So today I'm going to be reviewing a headband wig by Unice. A lot of people have heard of this hair company. I've done many reviews with Unice hair, but never a headband wig. They sent me a 16-inch water wave. It comes from Amazon, so the shipping is 2 days, so it's prime, it's super fast. So I'm going to go over all the information, the deets about the hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and get into the review. So this unit is going to run you $97.20. All of the units that I will be reviewing are going to be under the $100 threshold, and then I'm going to be doing some styles that may even run you $5. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this unit. So it comes in this box. Again, it's 2-day shipping. Most of all my Unice units have come in this box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So inside the box you have your unit, which we'll take out in a moment. They give you 2 headbands, okay? So you have a black and white. I really like the polka dot. And then you have a pink. It has, I don't know what it has on there, but it's pink. You also get some really cute lashes, okay? These are nice ones, so. And then you're going to get your 2 caps that you're definitely going to need when installing this hair. So I'm going to show you guys how easy the install is, okay? So y'all see that my hair is all blowed out and natural. Your hair doesn't have to be, you know, braided down super crazy, because literally you're throwing this unit right on top of your hair, okay? So right now I kind of have my hair parted into 2 sections. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is braid both of these sections down, and then come back and show you guys how I put on the wig. And I'm going to speed this up because, you know, we don't have to get into this whole thing of how we braid. Y'all know how to braid. All right, guys, so as you can see, my hair is braided, not any neat braids, just braided all the way down. So you're gonna need a bobby pin if your hair is natural to just go ahead and then tie this up. All right, guys, so my hair is pinned up, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the wig. Now this is how the wig comes straight out of the pack. So explained in all my other videos what we have here, and it is protected. This is what we're going to use to tighten the wig, and this is also going to be used as your original headband that comes on the wig. Inside of the unit, it is constructed with 3 combs. So we have 2 combs on the side, then we have a comb in the back, and then these are how the wefts are constructed in the inside. Now this unit, just looking at it like this, it feels like it's kind of small head friendly. All right, guys, so I'm going to take the cap and I'm going to just put it on. All we're going to be focusing on is our edges. If you're not an edge person and you don't really know how to do it, it's fine. You just got to leave out a little bit of your edges to go ahead and put this unit on, okay? So to slick down my edges, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue Ultra Glue Invisible Styling Gel. This is the only thing that holds my edges. So yeah, so I'm just going to take a little bit, and then I'm just going to slip it on the perimeter of my head. And then I'm just going to take my styling brush and then kind of just get the edges combed down how you want them. Now you can be extravagant. You can do like a lot of edges, or you can do a little bit. It's totally up to you. All right, so once I have my edges done, that's it. It's over. Now it's all right, guys, so all we're going to do with the unit, you can adjust it beforehand or adjust it after. I'm going to adjust this one after because it looks kind of small. So I'm just going to take the unit and put it on my head. Okay, right on the perimeter. Once you have it, you're just going to take the adjustable band that comes with the unit, and then you're going to tighten it. All right, now remember I got these big braids in, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have the unit on, as you can see, and she's really cute with me just slapping the baby on. All right, she's kind of in a side part, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and work her in the side part first and see how she looks. All right, guys, so this is how she's looking in a side part. I really like her curls. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you guys can see how her curls look. Now, y'all, just don't judge the gray hairs. We're not talking about that right now. We're focusing on the unit, all right? So this is how the curls look. We're gonna see how she looks in the middle part. So we're just gonna part her in the middle and put the hair to each side. So this is how she's looking in a middle part, okay? So next, we're gonna go ahead and put her in a half up, half down pony, okay? So all we're gonna do is take portions of the hair, then we're gonna take a scrunchie, okay? And then we're just gonna put it in a ponytail at the top with our scrunchie, and then tighten it. And then we have our half up, half down. Now, I didn't put a headband on her yet. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with a headband. So to apply the headband, all you're gonna do is just stretch it over your head, okay? Then you're gonna pull it up like this over the headband that comes with it. All right, so then you got your little headband gang going on. So this is her half up, half down. You can also, take like, grab two like portions of the hair here, and then you're gonna put this underneath the headband. Okay? And that's gonna give you a little bang, not a bang, but your little, your little thing. So I love her. I'm loving her. Again, she's 16 inches. This is how she looks in the back. So she's a 16-inch unit. I think she is perfect. She is under that $100 threshold, so that means you don't have to be paying too much money to be cute and slaying on Christmas, okay? She is indeed budget friendly, so definitely a go-to purchase. And she'll get here in 2 days, so that means if you kind of like procrastinating and you're trying to get everybody gifts right now, you can go ahead and order her a week before Christmas and guarantee she'll be here, all right? So I love her. Shedding wise, I got a little bit of hair. She's slightly curly, so we're gonna say it's fine, it's okay if we got a little bit of hair that shedded, but I'm really loving this unit. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I am definitely going to give her a 10. All right, let me know if you like this unit. Let me know if you tried Unice hair. Let me know if you tried their headband units. Let me know if you tried any headband unit, and I'll link all my little videos with my headband. I guess it's like a series because I reviewed about 5. I'll link all that information up below. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching day 1 of Vlogmas. Make sure you subscribe. I'm 10 subbies away from 6K. I'm so happy. All right. Love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. Bye.